Hello everyone, today in this biology lesson we are going to see different topics such as bioremediation, pollution and water treatment. So first of all, we are going to see what is pollution. Pollution is the introduction of harmful materials into the environment. These harmful materials are called pollutants. Pollutants can either be natural, such as the volcanic ash, or they can be created through human activity. Pollutants damage the quality of land, water and air. Many things that are useful to us create pollutions, such as the burning of coal to create electricity pollutes the air. Industries and homes generate tons of garbage and sewage that can pollute the land and water. Pollution is a global problem. Air and water currents carry pollution. Ocean currents and migrating fish carry marine pollutants far and wide. Winds can pick up radioactive material released from nuclear reactors, and smoke from a factory in one country drifts into another country. Pollution is everywhere, and it can affect the country, the world, everything greatly. So now we are going to see what exactly is bioremediation. So, bioremediation is the use of microorganisms to degrade organic contaminants in soil, groundwater, sludge, and solids. These bacteria break down contaminants by using them as energy source to help them live on. So, there are different types of bioremediation, the first one of which is the aerobic bioremediation. It involves microbial reactions that require oxygen to go forward. Anaerobic bioremediation. It is a microbial reaction that occurs instead of oxygen. It uses different processes such as fermentation, reductive dechlorination that help replace oxygen with either nitrate, sulfate, or carbon dioxide. The third one is co-metabolic bioremediation. It is that these microorganisms do not gain energy or carbon from degrading a contaminant. Instead, the contaminant is degraded via a side reaction. So, once water is contaminated, can we either get it back or decontaminate it? Well, now we can see how water can be decontaminated through water treatment. Clean, safe water is vital for everyday life. Water is essential for health, hygiene, and the productivity in a community. Water treatment process may vary depending on location, technology, and the water itself, but the basic principles are largely the same. Water passes through coagulation first. During coagulation, liquid aluminum is injected into water. This causes the tiny particles of dirt to stick together or to coagulate. Next, these groups of dirt particles stick together to form larger particles called flocks. Next on, water passes through the sedimentation process. As the water and the flock particles progress through the treatment process, they move into sedimentation basins where the water moves slowly, causing the heavy flock particles to settle to the bottom. Then they are moved on through filtration. Water flows through a filter designed to remove particles in the water. These are made out of sand and gravel. Filtration collects the suspended impurities in water and enhances disinfection. Water is disinfected before it enters the distribution system to ensure that any death-causing bacteria, viruses, and parasites are completely destroyed. Chlorine is used because it is a very effective disinfectant. Sludge drying. Solids that are collected and settle out of the water by sedimentation and filtration are removed to drying lagoons. Fluoridation. Water fluoridation is the treatment of community water supplies for the purpose of adjusting the concentration of the free fluoride ion to the optimum level sufficient to reduce dental caries. So this is the process water goes through to be cleaned completely. So in this video we learned about bioremediation, water treatment and pollution. I hope you learned a lot about this, and thanks for watching our video.